When I'm away from you, I'm happier than ever. Wish I could explain it better. Wish it wasn't true. Give me a day or two to think of something clever, to write myself a letter, to tell me what to do. Do you read my interviews, or do you skip my avenue when you said you were passing through? Was I even on your way? I knew when I asked you to be cool about what I was telling you. You do the opposite of what you say you do, and I'd end up more afraid. Don't say it isn't fair. You clearly weren't aware that you made me miserable. So if you really want to know, when I'm away from you, I'm happier than ever. Wish I could explain it better. Wish it wasn't true. You call me again, drunk in your Benz, driving home under the influence. You scare me to death, but I'm wasting my breath, 'cause you'd only listen to your fucking I don't relate to you. I don't relate to you, no, 'cause I'd never dream it this shitty. You make me hate this city, and I don't talk shit about you on the internet. Never told anyone anything bad, 'cause that shit's embarrassing. You're my everything. All that you did was make me fucking sad. So don't think the time I don't hurt. Don't try to make me feel bad. I could talk about every time that you showed up on time, but I've got an empty life. You never did. Never paid any mind to my mother and friends, so I shut them all out for you, 'cause I was a kid. You ruined everything good. Always said you were misunderstood. Made all my moments your own.